how to set up focus mode on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up your custom focus mode on your MacBook. Let's get started. Open up your settings and then head over to focus. So there you can see add focus option, click on it and you can choose like focus for gaming, mindfulness, personal, reading, work, or choose a custom focus. So let's say I want to choose a custom focus and I'll click on it and then you can put in a name for your focus. So I'll put in dance and then I can choose the uh icon of my choice, and then once I do that I can choose the color and then hit OK. And now you can see allowed people, like let's say if you choose some people, then it will not silence notification from those people. But let's say if you don't want notifications at all, then just set it to none and it will silence notifications from all of them. Similarly, you can do so with such apps as well. And you can add a schedule, so you can put in time, like the time duration from to, and choose to repeat it. You can choose days of the week. Let's say I want to choose from 8, so from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. let's say. I don't want it on Sundays, so I'll untick it Sundays and Saturdays and hit done. So a schedule has been added. Similarly, I can add in location, so choose the location and then you can see app. So like you can choose when you open certain app to toggle it on, and then you can see focus filters. You can add filters such as customize apps during this focus, like selected apps will be notified when this focus turns on or off. So you can choose the apps of your choice. This is how you set up a custom focus on your MacBook. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.